Khan is a woman who gets every other woman really to go green with envy, but today she's the one who's going green, but it's for all the right reasons, right, Kareena?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
It's something so healthy and something that keeps us energized. I'm happy to just be a part of this event.
Absolutely. And you know, Kareena, you come across as someone who's always supremely secure. No matter what anyone is saying or whatever, you know, even career ups and downs and things like that. Has there ever been anyone who makes you go green but with envy?
No, I go green with envy when I see my sister's kids, because I think they have the best life. They just keep eating and drinking whatever they want, and then they sleep. And especially my sister's son Kian, he's like so adorable. He just eats and then he just plops off to sleep for like 2 hours in the afternoon, gets up, goes down, rides out life. Yeah, I was like, God, maybe okay. I don't know when, 30 years later.
Yeah, because, you know, actually, you know, it's interesting that you said, you know, you're talking about your sister's kids. We saw a very endearing picture of you, I think, going to midnight mass, I think, with, and it seems like, you know, a lot of people are saying, you know, because the other day there was a picture of you as well, we saw with your niece or nephew, but everyone was like, oh, Bebo seems to be in the baby frame of mind. Is there any truth to that at the moment?
No, I think that obviously the media is, you know, the first they were like, when is Saif and Kareena getting married? And now it's like, obviously we're married, so when are they having a baby and whatever. But, you know, I mean, Saif and me are not in any hurry at all. We've lived together for the last 6 years and now we're married. So it's not even a thought.
Okay, so it's basically, I guess these kind of questions are not really your cup of tea in more ways than one.
Absolutely. I mean, we're not even like thinking about it. And in fact, I don't know why people say that, because both Saif and me have always been so honest about our relationship. Whether it was me living with him, whether it was me being married to him, choosing to get married, we were always open about it. So it was never like we won't. It's not even on it's not even on the radar.
I think a lot of people are coming from that school of thought though, because a certain number of interviews that you've been giving lately, especially the one which we were talking about earlier, was that, you know, you're going to start saying no to a lot of things on the professional front. So people are wondering, okay, are you going more in the, you know, personal family frame of mind, so to speak?
No, I think that it's just that what I meant to say is that I'm going to say no to all the films that I should actually be you know, saying no to, and yes to the films that I should. And I would also like to work on my terms and conditions. No hard and fast rule as to, you know, like, okay, I have to have like 5 films on the floor. I've worked for like 14, 15 years. I want to do what exactly I want to do and the film that I want to be a part of.
Absolutely. And you know, it was interesting because we just heard you saying something about Shuddhi as well, talking about the Inside Wala Snan as well. Someone very cleverly linked it and they said, you know, what about Shuddhi? And you didn't seem to be very sure exactly what is the fate of that film.
I don't know exactly what is happening with that film. I think Karan Johar is the right person to ask, because, you know, the film has been getting delayed for the last year and a half. And we've been talking about it for a year and a half. So, I don't know what's happening actually on that, and, you know, when they decide to do it,
then you'll have to see it.
Yeah, I mean, you know, an actor can't really pre-decide things.